Well guys, last week it was 60 degrees here. I'm happy I took the time to put the snow tires sorry, on the WRX. They are from the STI, I think 08 to 14. You can see right there. The only issue in the front, the tire's a little bigger profile and they're rubbing on the mud guards. So I had to take the mud guards off, which kind of sucks because now it's just going to fling stuff up alongside the car. But otherwise, had some deeper snow a couple days ago and she did real well. So should be a really good car for winter. For those of you wondering, they're Yokohama ice guards. Another thing I noticed, for those of you that think that the Halo 86 is just a white car, this is the same color. You can see compared to snow, it's more of a cream off-white, which I like. I don't like just plain white, like a white Honda Civic.